About 8 o'clock Saturday evening, Mayor Coughlin and Marshall Hilliard drove to the Borden homestead and held a long interview with John Morse, Miss Lizzie Borden, and Miss Emma Borden. She did not manifest in any way the anxiety of her elder sister, but, as has been explained, she has the phlegmatic temperament which distinguishes the German race. "When did you last see your mother, Miss Lizzie?" inquired the mayor.
"I don't think I saw her after 9 o'clock. She went upstairs to put shams on the pillows."
"Couldn't you hear anybody killing your father with that axe, Miss Lizzie?" asked the mayor. "The noise must have resembled the noise made by a person chopping meat."
Ow! Ouch! Ow!
Miss Lizzie did not hear. It is true that the noise must have been like the sound the mayor described.